Welcome back everyone to another video of TechCube. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to create a Wells Fargo account. If you also want to create your bank account of Wells Fargo online, then make sure you keep watching this video because I'm going to show you the process that you need. There are multiple accounts that Wells Fargo provides. You can create all of them from the website of Wells Fargo. So open up your web browsers first and search for wellsfargo.com. Once you do, on the top side you can see all of the accounts that you can create. Just click on the account that you want to create and click on view all. This way you can view all of the accounts that Wells Fargo provides. So in this case I chose the savings account and I can see all of the savings account and also the description of the savings accounts. Take a look at the descriptions and pick the one that you want. Click on open now. Now once you land on this interface, you can see all of the things that you need to get before you start filling in this form. Now firstly, you need your social security number or your tax ID number. Secondly, you need to have your driver's license, state ID or your matricular card. These steps are important in order to verify yourself. And lastly, you'll need to deposit at least $25 onto the account that you're going to create. So firstly, through this section, select which kind of account that you want to create and also select if you are or are not an existing customer or online banking customer of Wells Fargo. After that, click on continue. And now from here on, you just need to fill in these forms correctly. So first of all, you need to fill in your name, select your taxpayer ID. Either you can select your social security number or your tax ID number. If you scroll down further, you need to choose your type of ID. Either you can choose your driver's license, state ID or any other ID that you have. Type in the number or the ID number, state issued and the expiration date. Type in your date of birth, citizenship and include or add in your email address. The email address and the phone number part is important so that they can send you OTPs or other information related to your account. You'll also need to fill in other details such as your address and other stuff. So take a look at all of these steps and fill in them correctly. And once you do fill in these details, lastly, you need to fund your account. The funding amount will be different depending upon which option you choose. So just fund your account and your Wells Fargo bank account will be successfully opened. So that's the exact process of creating Wells Fargo account. If you guys found this video helpful, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. We upload similar videos on a regular basis. So in order to not miss videos just like this, be sure to hit that notification bell. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.